Sige na, kape. Okay.
Tapalan.
Sinatapulan.
Tapalan.
Come on, tapulan. Tapulan, okay? Tapulan is lazy. Word of the day, tapulan. Si Mamsi.
Tapalan.
Limot kay guys. Another word for it is hot. The weather is hot. The weather is kuanhan. Init. Init ba?
Init.
The weather is hot.
Yeah.
So it's say init kaayo. Ilimuot, alimuot.
Huh?
Say alimuot.
Alimale ot.
A
A.
li
Li.
mu
O.
ot.
Ot. Aliminot.
A
A.
li
Li.
mu
Mo.
ot.
No.
Ali mu
Aliminot. Aliminot.
a
A.
li
Li.
mu
Mo.
ot.
Ot.
Ali
Ali.
mu ot.
Mohot.
Yeah,
Ali Mohot.
yeah, ali mu ot.
He sounds like an Indian. No. Ali Mohot.
Bati magkapamation magkuanhan.
Birthday control 22.
Pamation mo. That's why I don't like to teach him to Cebuano or dialect because his accent is awkward, awful to listen.
Awful.
Yeah, it's better if you speak in Indian accent. You're really good. But in our accent, oh my God, you're awful.
Tell me truth.
Huh?
Tell me truth.
Teli. What? Teli.
Tell me truth.
What's it telling me, dude? What's it telling me, dude? What's that?
I don't know.
Sana, what's that? What is it?
Lazy.
What does it mean in English?
Lazy.
Tapulan.
Tapalan.
Ka-
Tapalan.
Why did you say Chilimidut?
Tapalan. It's hard to.
See that? It's not hard.
It is small brains.
It's your brain. Your brain has a low pickup.
Yeah. Tapalan. Ethan, you tapalan.
Ethan,
Tapalan.
tapulan.
Tapalan.
I love you, nak.
Tapalan.
Sige na, hanbang. Drink.
That's the new word I'm going to say that to your sister.
What you gonna say to my sister? Din mo, palaban, gini siya kanunay sa akong igsuon. He always takes to my sister.
Is your sister.
Wala, nag-text na siya. Nagsumbong na siya. Sumbongiro. Sumbongiro. You know what sumbongiro? Sumbongiro kayo na siya sa akong manghod. Yeah.
Sister. You know your sister? You know your sister? What's her name? Tatin. She's tapalan.
Tatin mo ko.
Very tapalan.
She will love it.
That's not